Beth Styne with the Beth Styne Group at Coldwell Realty in Beverly Hills, and we are in my office where I basically live. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what makes me different and why you might consider hiring me over some of the competition. First of all, I've been in this business for over 40 years. And in those 40 years, I have been a top producing sales agent. I've been the branch manager of a top producing office within the company. I've been the vice president. I've been the chief operating officer of the Greater LA company. I've been a leader within this company. And what does that mean to you? It means that not only do I know the real estate business, but I know the business of real estate. And why does that matter? It matters to you because I have an in-house full digital marketing team. I've got a full video marketing studio. We offer powerful live stream video for your properties. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. We have an agent network of 90,000 agents. And we've got the power of the Coldwell Banker brand, which is 3,300 offices in 50 countries, provinces, and territories. It means that I'm getting more eyes on your prize. Give me a call. Let's talk. Let me show you how I can bring your property in front of more eyes, how I can sell your property for the highest possible price, how I can make it an incredibly seamless and powerful experience so we can become great new friends, great new business partners. I'm looking forward to meeting you. You can reach me at 310-367-3388 or at bethstein@gmail.com. Thanks for listening.